Alright guys, so here we have the SoakShield ropes, the microfiber windshield ropes. We have them in 4 different sizes, which comes the SS Mini, SS OG, which is original, the SS XL, extra large, and the SS installer set, which is all of them combined. These ropes are basically to tuck in between the glass and the deck to reduce the chances of water damage to the electronic parts during film installation and preparation. So check them out, SoakShield ropes. Alright guys, so I'm removing the SoakShield rope on this windshield that we just did. And I just want to give you an idea of how much water this rope retains. So this would be a good investment on for the windshields. Whenever you guys are doing windshields, to not mess up any electronics in the dashboard or anything. Retains a lot of water. Great soap, great tool to have in your shop. All right, guys. As you guys can see, we finished installing the rope. You could use either your GT205, your bulldozer, or your slip foot, the GT040, to try to tuck in that rope nice and tight in between the glass and the front of the car. Just remember guys that there's different sizes on these ropes depending on what vehicle you guys are working on. There's the Mini, the OG, and the XL, and if you guys want to get all 3 of them, you must get the SS installer set, which I think it's a pretty good investment for the shops out there that have different cars coming in throughout your day. So check them out.